In this video, we'll guide you through using the Add Your sticker on your Instagram story. Let's dive right in and get started. Before delving into the specifics, let's grasp the essence of the Add Your sticker on Instagram stories. This feature enables you to post a topic or question and encourages viewers to share their responses on their own Instagram stories. Now, let's explore how to utilize it. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your Android phone or iPhone. Then swipe left on the home screen to access Story View. Next, tap on the gallery icon located at the bottom left corner and choose a photo or video to serve as the background for your sticker. Once you've made your selection, tap on the sticker icon at the top and opt for the Add Your sticker. Then, input a question or thought you wish to share using this sticker. Furthermore, you have the option to tap on the dice icon in the middle to receive text suggestions for the sticker. Once you're satisfied, tap on Done, situated at the top right corner. Finally, tap on the Your Story icon at the bottom left corner to add it to your Instagram story. This video serves as your ultimate guide for using the Add Your sticker. For solutions to all your tech queries, subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of our specially curated videos just for you.